Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear, dear viewers, wherever you are, I greet you with Islamic greetings. My peace of Allah and His mercy be upon you, all of you, wherever you are in the world, right? We are in the midst of our Somali learning program, right? We have taken several lessons, and today I got you another lesson. We're gonna see how D and the D, the letter D, right? D, and how the Somali vowels interact. Let's see, this is very simple. So I acknowledge it actually to provide you these lessons. We're gonna see how the and shaqaladii bal aan eegno maanta sidaan soo socota ay noqonayaan. They are as following. The added by short vowel, it's gonna be the, the, do. You see, there is a 91% B plus Somali, right? Good. So now let's add it long one. Let's add it long vowel. It is da, de, di, do. Very simple, right? Before the D, it's gonna be like this: at, it, ought, and would, right? Would. We shall our Somali will progress in the future, inshallah ta'ala, bidnillah ta'ala. If God wills, it will progress, right? So I'm using the front camera. I like you, all of you. Thanks so much. Thank you for everything. So let's explain how can I make this like the ta. We have taken ta plus t plus t and and you simply put your tongue the front two teeth, right? There are two front teeth and there is a this gum behind it. Simply up, look at the tongue. The di do, da, di, do. at it ought would, at it ought would. So if I give you an example, dukaan, doorasho guud, doorasho guud, doorasho guud, doorasho guud, doorasho degdeg ah, doorasho degdeg ah, maxaan ku yidhahdaa dee daris wanaag, daris wanaag, dabac wanaag, dabci wanaagsan, alxamdulilah shukr bilcaalamiin, daryeel, daryeel, daryeel waalid, daryeele, daryeele, daryeele. So I think it's enough to take this lesson today. We hope it's there. Until next week, see you. في أمان الله.